Welcome to Chim Chat Choy, and we are here in Chongqing Mansion, and you can see the I Square. Walk towards to the escalator and use it, and then turn right. Walk toward to MTR over there. Walk until you can see the arrow sign to go inside. That one, the green one. And tap the octopus. Walk toward the escalator. Going down. And then walk right side. There, right side. And you can see the central to central. Go inside and then go down on central already and walk towards escalator going down to Kennedy Town MTR. There. Don't worry, they have escalator. There. Just enjoy. Walk towards right side. Go in. Relax. Sit down and enjoy. And then going down to Saying Pun. And find the elevator. If you have heavy courier, you can use that. And the opposite is the get out. And then walk towards the exit. You can find the green arrow again. And walk that one, tap the octopus and turn right. It's a long walk. It's 5-minute walks, I think. And then you use the walking escalator. At maglalakad po uli kayo. It's a long walk. It's 5 minutes walk. And then you can find the escalator, the long one. But you're gonna use the elevator on the right side. Press. Go inside. And then press the LG inside lane. And then get out in the right side.